IWE technicians have installed a triple-effect vacuum evaporator at the factory of Tenaris in Italy with a capacity of 2,500 liters per hour, or 60 cubic meters per day, to purify, remove and recover the boron contained in large quantities in the effluent made up of exhausted oil emulsions. IWE turns the effluent into a distillate with reduced boron-free salt content and a concentrate of less than 10% of the original volume. The distillate is reused in the production process, while the concentrate is centrifuged to obtain boric acid crystals that return to the market. Maximum energy efficiency is achieved by using a cogenerator and tower water already available in the plant. The cogenerator feeds the boiling boiler, while the tower water condenses the vapors. The three-stage system allows high performance to be achieved with low consumption, as the evaporate from the first stage are used to heat both the second and third stages free of charge. It is a perfect and concrete application of circular economy, where the original waste is transformed into value. IWE, our experience at your service since 1982.